Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is gonna be on birthday celebration of Vijay. ये मेरे शादी के 6 महीने बाद का वीडियो है. Obviously this was in 2022. काफ़ी लोगों ने मुझसे पूछा था because they like the concept of the cave. तो I'll share it in this video and ये सब मैंने डेकोरेट किया हुआ है, पर्सनली खुद से किया है जो भी हो सकता था. And I was very nervous because I didn't know how people are.
पापा कहाँ गए? देखो चलो टॉफी की कमी नहीं. चलो काटो काटो. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे. पापा खिलाओ खिलाओ खिलाओ. आप भी खिलाओ.
कयामत तक हुआ तेरा. बातों को बहने दो, बाहों में रहने दो.
So we were finally out for the dinner date. ये एक family dinner date थी and since I was new to Lucknow, मेरे लिए ज़्यादा कुछ मुझे आइडिया था नहीं कि कहाँ जाना चाहिए, क्या करना चाहिए.
It looks nice.
बट इतना पता था कि गोमती नगर was always in my hit list. So I wanted to explore that area and काफ़ी दूर था हमारे घर से. It's 20 kilometers away. तो 1 घंटा आने जाने में ही लग जाता है. But yeah, so I could somehow decide to go ahead with Spice Caves. It's located in Gomti Nagar, and we reached there. थोड़ा late हो गया था, but it was fun. We started. We reached at the location around 8 p.m. and we were late because we started off late, and also there was a lot of traffic. So it is quite far off for us as well. It's like 20 kilometers away. So for that reason, थोड़े late हो गए थे, but that's okay. You can see Vijay here is exploring with the decoration, and he's happy. He gets to see "I love you" only again. थोड़ा weird लगता है when such decoration is made, which is basically for couples and you have family around. Obviously, it's not a biggie, but um, it can be avoided. So yeah, you can see when parents exploring the cave, parents were basically talking कि ये cave बना कैसा होगा, किस material से बना होगा, ऐसा है, वैसा है. And they were also enjoying and very inquisitive कि हाँ, this is something different. And we generally go to big posh restaurants and stuff, right? But exploring something like this is less, especially in a city like Lucknow. So there was also somebody else who was part of this celebration, and that was Surbhi Rao, my niece. And she was so excited to be here. She always was attached to me from beginning. She has been. We fight a lot. We are very very cat fight वाली fight होती थी हमारे बीच में. But honestly, I hold a lot of love and I really care for her a lot, and it's the same way around. So obviously, she had to be part of this. She's the only one who's staying in Lucknow, and it was again क्या कहते हैं, a great add-on to have her. Later on, we started clicking pictures, and also we explored the menu. It had veg as well as non-veg options and quite decent pricing. I would say it's within 500 rupees. It's not too expensive. It is manageable and the taste is also quite good. बट थोड़ा-सा ही स्टार्टर्स खाने में ही मतलब पेट भर जाता है। मोस्टली फॉर मी इट्स लाइक दैट एंड आई लाइक दोज़ स्टार्टर पार्ट्स more than the main course. So after this, we went ahead with getting our cake. I had ordered for a two-layer rasmalai cake. It is not a very heightened height for the cake. It's just a very um, short cake, but obviously it has two layers. It costed me around 2000 rupees or 2500, which is so good for two layers, and it's quite decent, I believe. And it was very tasty as well, and even good looking. So that is so good to see. And then I just want to say this, that birthdays are very special for me because I have always celebrated, my parents have always celebrated my birthday बचपन से हर दिन, like हर साल. So मेरे लिए बहुत ख़ास है क्योंकि मैं छोटी-छोटी चीज़ों को एन्जॉय करती हूँ और इट्स अ चेरिशेबल मेमोरी बनाती हूँ. एंड विजय का ओपिनियन बहुत अलग है बिकॉज़ ही इज़ अ वेरी मैच्योर पर्सन. ही थिंक्स ऑल ऑफ दिस इज़ समथिंग व्हिच इज़ वेरी शॉर्ट लिव्ड. कोई मतलब नहीं होता है बिकॉज़ he has never been through that kind of journey the way I have been. So obviously he holds a viewpoint like that. I totally respect that. I also respect people who think like that ki birthdays should not be celebrated. It really makes sense because now when I'm at this stage of my life, I feel that yes, it is really unnecessary sometimes. But what I really want to do is I don't want to throw a lavish party. I just want to cherish this moment in a very closed space, just my special people. That's it. So मुझे एक मौका चाहिए कि मैं बाहर जाऊँ अपने फैमिली के साथ, खास लोगों के साथ और अच्छा समय बिताऊँ. And it was time to now finally cut the cake and sing the song. Happy birthday to you.
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
तो फाइनली केक कटिंग हो चुकी थी और हम लोग एक दूसरे को खिला रहे थे. आगे it was like a fight for cake because सुरभि को मस्ती आ रही थी. she was just thinking, उसने एक सेकंड भी hesitate नहीं किया कि she's in a new family, she cannot follow certain things that she usually does in our family, but उसको मस्ती आ रही थी, so she doesn't hesitate in doing मस्ती. So you can see here chedifying Vijay, obviously, or I don't know how parents would judge it, but yeah, it went well. देखो guts, her guts. okay, she's really fun, no problem with that. And nobody said anything, so it was all.
You're not hungry.
Video थोड़ा shaky shaky है, but I think it's fine. And it was time to gift,
Video
so
ले रही
obviously
हो.
मैंने around 5-6 गिफ्ट्स डिसाइड किए थे कि हर 2-3-4
Video ले
घंटे
रही
में
हो,
ऐसे
hold
कुछ I
करो.
will be gifting him.
सिक्स्थ गिफ्ट है ये. ओ शिट, एक गिफ्ट तो भूल ही गए हम, वही पड़ा है. चलो 12 बजे दे देंगे. से फाड़ दो.
It was important to gift. So I gifted him an Instax camera. I will be providing you the link. You can use the link to buy it and get some discounts if it is available. Not sure. पर अब मेरे घर में 2 Instax कैमरा हो चुके हैं बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट समहाउ, क्योंकि एक मैंने गिफ्ट किया था और एक विजय को ऑफिस से गिफ्ट में मिला है. So we have 2 Instax camera. So one is in the Lucknow and one is in Bangalore, and we enjoy taking pictures here with it. And he's so happy. His happiness knows no boundaries. So yeah, great people come with great qualities, and I definitely see that in Vijay. He is a perfectionist. He does all his work with great precision, care, and is so focused when he does it. You can also see that right now in the video, the way he's unboxing this Instax camera. If I were in his place, I would just tear it apart. But just look at him. Wow. After this, we got indulged into eating food.
you will like or
Food was
not,
really good,
guys.
I must say
Gift.
that. So overall, I think they charged me 7K for 5 of us, along with the decoration and the cake and everything. It costed me around 7K, which is decent. And इसके बाद whatever else like I shopped for him, that's all secondary. So I loved his birthday, and I'm sure he also loved his birthday, and it was really fun to do something like this. बहुत टाइम के बाद. 6 months of knowing Vijay, I can vouch for it that I'm married to an amazing man, amazing husband, and he's no less than a celebrity. Not everyone has to hit the fame. Some people are the secret ones, and he is that gem. And I'm so blessed and so thankful to you, Vijay. I love you so much for this.
आशीर्वाद दे दो बस. और क्या चाहिए.
So that is Surbhi's gift. She got us a collage of photos, like from us meeting to train, catch up, where engagement and शादी का कुछ photos. So all of that, our first Christmas, Agra trip, so many things in that particular frame, which was a lovely thing. Thank you, Surbhi. And yeah, that's all. The video has come to an end. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.